Alright guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to make the voices for the covers of it. So here I have a song from the Weekend Week Art Day. It just has the right pitch for the parts. I'll just show you. So you have to make a placeholder first. So make a rhythm like this. I simply use the triple C, which I'm also going to use for Hex's voice. If you don't know that, you can use Hex. Triple C to get Hex's voice. It's really simple. Just use these settings to get Hex's voice. That's it. So after you got the plugin, you need the voices. So to get the voices, go to your mod. So I'm going to add Garcelo's voice. So I'll quickly get the Garcelo. Oh, there we go. Right. So I'm just gonna bring in this voice from yeah, it's good. Turn off this and this one. So from here you need to find a good voice to use. It's really simple. So I found the longest tail in the song. So use the slice tool over here. Just cut the edges so to get the exact part that you want. Yeah. So now we have the R. So now we need two more sounds. Let me take this. It's not the other two. I'm just going to delete the others. And separate these for quickly. Right, so I will use these three sounds. Maybe your character has more sounds than that, so you can use all those sounds. But this is cut off all sounds. So now what you need to do is, actually I'm just gonna put on the voices here. I'm just gonna see how they sing again. So that's U. So I'll take those stuff from here. Ooh. So those four are supposed to be there. So now what you do, if you have this placeholder here, so take the voice, take those stuff here, and maybe match the keys, right? The distance. You can just close them. So like that. And then you see, I like to put a space on every voice because it's gonna make something easier in the future. So yeah. So now do this. Do this for all these keys or what do you call it? So now we have hear it without it. So that's how yours should sound right now. That's how it sounds, right? Now what you need to do is actually take this, take the FNF Voices, go it down, right? Turn off all the other tracks except for this one. Take your select tool, or you can just hold control and just drag from here to here. Alright. Make sure you get all the voices. So now that you've selected all your voices, click File, Export, MP3. Export it as an MP3. Export it from Chrome, Marcelo. Okay. Something like that. You can name it anything you want. Right. After that, import it back to here. This. So import it back to here, and I'm going to just disable this layer. Now you can hit double click on here, remove the selection. So you have that thing. Let's bring these down, let's bring this one up. Alright, now what you do is click in this corner over here, click pitch correct sample. So now here we have again so you have all the voices separate, but if you don't have all of them separate, if you have them separate, you can just move them around. If you can't move one around, press C to get the cutting tool, and you can just cut them to make them separate like that. Okay, right. And then we have the one. So now click on the piano roll tab, minimize, small it, make it smaller. Here you need to have the placeholder, right? Here I have the placeholder. Let's show you again where it is. We're going to use the placeholder, change the pitch, and as you can see, I think you already know what you should do. You just look both of them. Alright, so what you need to do is match the new tone to the placeholder. Right? Still don't get what I mean? So the first one, so you can see the first bit is in the right place. It's supposed to be in here, and it's in that line, so it's correct. But the second one is in this line, but it's not. So bring it up. Alright, so next one needs to be below this one. So that's what you need to do. Do it for the same. Okay, so now watch me do it. So this come like that. This come here. And this is come here. Here. So now that you just hear it, it already sounds good. Alright? So keep on doing this till you finish with everything. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. So now I'm done with it. Alright, now if you play this, it's gonna see. It sounds good, alright? It sounds really good. But so now you can just close the piano. And now you see this the button over here. the drag selection button. So click here, and just like the name implies, you gotta drag it, and release it in the timeline. Alright, so I got this. Now you can delete this. You don't need that anymore. And now I'm just gonna position it correctly. That, yeah. So now I can just delete this also. And then just go here and just change this part here. And now if we actually play this, oops. So it should go here. Sounds a bit low, so just go here. Put the volume up. Right. And that's it. So you can use this method to do anybody's voice. You can use this method to do anybody's voice.